Galco just added another exciting new service to their already stacked lineup: custom cable assembly. Galco's custom cable assembly service offers solutions that the average harness providers can't compete with. Our specialized and dedicated engineering team will design custom solutions for even your most challenging applications. Whether your application must withstand extreme environmental conditions, combat continual flexing, or meet specific and unique certifications, Galco can and will get the job done. Our design draws on industry-leading connectivity expertise to solve even the most difficult connectivity applications, from standard cable and wire assemblies to developing custom overmolded harness solutions. Galco partners with our customers to personally and efficiently solve their application challenges. With a full-service approach to simplify the design process, we are able to transform your demands into a top-of-the-line finalized product. All you need to do is complete our custom cord set worksheet located on our website, and we'll take care of the rest. Contact Galco today to make your custom cable dreams a reality.